Okay, to knock that cam, we got to take these cam bearings out. To knock that cam bearing out, there's a plug back there. It looks like a freeze plug. I think they call it a Welch plug. I don't know. That's what I learned like 50 years ago when I was doing these kind of engines. Before I was doing jet engine and all those alien aircraft and stuff I did.
Well, we're going to see if we can get it out. We're going to use this big socket as a sizer. See if we can get that plug out without destroying it. And he's going to use the cam bearing tool to smack on it a couple times.
Get your fingers up. Ooh, that's in there.
Yep. I feel it move.
Do you?
Yeah, I can feel it moving.
What the heck?
You can't see it. It's dark down in there, but
Oh, it feels like it's moving. I'm having trouble holding it, but okay. It's out.
It's out.
It's out!
And it doesn't look damaged. That's okay.
Oh, might be able to use that again. Okay, so, cam bearing tool. We're doing it the push outside of it. I think that needs to be up against there, but I'm not sure.
Nah, that doesn't look right. Something screwy going on there.
Yeah, it's going to be stuck in there until we can get it out.
Never gonna get it out. Yeah, I think for some reason, I think this slides back onto against that.
I think this might be too big.
Maybe.
Oh, it's moving it.
Okay.
It is moving it.
No. No, it's damaging it.
I think you're right.
Here, tighten it a little bit. Just spin it. I'm holding it with my fingers even. Oh, okay. Or hammer it.
Okay, I'm trying to get this center thing in there.
Okay, I'll hold it. I held it.
Wrench. You need the wrench.
Okay. Okay, wrench is on there. Okay, don't go any tighter.
Okay.
Well, wait a minute. Let's see. Go a little tighter. It's not quite there. Yeah, that's good. Let me. Whoa, okay. It's moving.
What's coming out the other end? It's coming out the other end?
Yeah, it's moving. Okay, that's the engine stand.
Here's the bearing. It's almost out.
Oh, I think I saw something move.
I felt it move. Came out.
There you go.
Yeah, this punch is just a little longer.
We messed it up pretty bad getting it out, but that's the damage.
It's an old cam bearing.
Yeah, but that's the damage that was there. That was why we needed to take it out. And the rest of the damage was us learning how to use the tool.
This is my first time with this too, because I always had a machine shop do it. But now,
It's so hard.
I had a shop that was next door to a machine shop. You know how cool that is. Actually, the shop next to me is a crank grinder, and the shop next to him was a machine shop. So, that was really nice.
Yeah, not everybody has that.
So now I'm out in the middle of nowhere in Tennessee.
And it won't be cheap. So I got my foot on the... There you go. See, that makes it look easy.
Yeah,
because we figured out what we were doing.
Engine stand wasn't in the way.
There, it's moving.
Okay. Is this long enough? Is it moving?
I don't see it yet.
Ah.
Yeah, it's moving now. Here it comes.
Oh man, beating with a big old hammer, and I kept missing.
Well, probably if you weren't up against a wall with it, it'd be a little easier. All right, talk to the camera. Tell them what you think about the process so far, removal process.
The tool is a little long. Be nice if the handle were like a couple of different lengths, but that's okay. It works fine. A cheap tool is like $60-something, and it works well.
It's a lot cheaper when someone else pays for it.
Are you saying it's your tool? It's your tool. It's Kim's tool. Cam bearing installation. There's oil holes. Back when there's 2 oil holes. I've marked with the chalk where the holes are, and then we have to get they're not straight across from each other. Got to make sure I have this right. I do have it right. So, got to get that lined up. Like that.
I understand. Stop for a second. Let me lift up this Delrin thing. Okay.
Oh, I could hold the wrench, I suppose.
I can hold the wrench.
Okay. Are you ready?
I got the wrench.
Don't let that turn. It's turning.
It's okay. Oh, it's moving out. You got to push towards me.
Okay, we're there, right?
Okay. Yes, I agree.
Okay, I'm going to whack on it. You ready? Is it going in?
It is. It's working itself in right. I wasn't leaning against the stand, so it's good now. Go ahead, keep going.
You sure I could keep going? Okay.
I think so.
I don't want to go too far.
Oh no, it's not in yet. Keep going. A little more. Still can see the edge of it. Okay, give it a light tap. See if it'll do a little more. One more. I think that's in.
Okay, let's undo it.
Okay.
Okay, then the next thing I want to do is see if the holes are lined up.
Yeah. Okay, so the oil pump goes here. The pressure goes into that way and that way. All right, and then there's a hole that's drilled all the way out to the back of the engine right here. There's a plug in it. See, that's where they drill this hole out. And then from the rear main bearing, they drill out to there. And that comes out a hole that is in this.
Goes out 2 places.
Okay.
Goes to that big main gallery.
That drills down to the rear cam bearing. Okay. And there's a hole in that bearing. There's a corresponding hole through the back of the cam. It goes to that hole.
Just a minute. Let me put my finger up there.
You'll never feel that wire because it
feel
doesn't
the wire.
stick out.
Yeah, it doesn't stick out.
Because that hole comes up. That hole comes through to
the main oil gallery.
To the main oil gallery. Okay, and then this hole that looks like it's in that bearing, it comes down from the deck. The rear. This hole comes straight up through, and it comes up through the block, and no, it won't do it. We were just doing it. And it comes up through.
There it is. See it coming out? We're still lined up. We're lined up, I think. Close. You got to tell me when we're there.
Okay,
more?
go ahead. We have more. A little more. That's it.
Ready to go?
Ready to go. Go ahead. Keep going. Another ½ inch.
No, but I gotta look to see what I'm doing. A little more. A little more.
Drive her home. One more tap. Perfect. Can't go anymore.
Take it out.
Okay, this one. Okay, what do you want me to do?
I don't know. I'm gonna hammer it in.
All right, go ahead and hammer. Lift up a little bit. You're a little bit low.
Feels right.
Okay. Getting close. There. Okay, there.
Is that good? Okay, let's take it off.
Okay, let me get the...
Yeah, just grab it, it's turning.
Go ahead.
Okay, let go. Okay, check. Check the hole with a... Stick something down through here.
Oh yeah, it's good.
Lots of oil hole there.
Yeah, I could see the whole coat hanger and it moves around. And it's good. It's good. We're a little off in our indexing, but
It's
perfect. Perfect. All right, guess what? We have an engine with 1, 2, 3, 4 new properly installed cam bearings. We don't have our freeze plug in the back yet, but we can do that once it's off the stand. Just don't install the engine without that freeze plug. We'll be hating that.